In the pursuit of resilience amidst the tumult of existence, the ancient philosophy of Stoicism emerges as a beacon of clarity, guiding individuals through the tempests of human emotion and circumstance. It imparts a wisdom profoundly relevant in today's world, a wisdom that fosters self-control, fortitude, and a profound understanding of one's place within the cosmos. This discourse aims to elucidate 11 Stoic exercises, deeply rooted in the teachings of Stoic philosophers such as Epictetus, Seneca, and Marcus Aurelius. These practices, when integrated into daily life, possess the transformative power to reshape one's perception, actions, and ultimately, one's character. 1. The dichotomy of control. Central to Stoic philosophy is the discernment between what is within our control and what is not. Epictetus famously stated, "Some things are in our control and others not." Enchiridion 1. The exercise of continuously recognizing this distinction empowers us to focus our energy on our actions, thoughts, and feelings, factors within our sphere of control, thereby fostering serenity in the face of external circumstances beyond our control. 2. Negative visualization, premeditation malorum. This practice involves the contemplation of potential misfortunes or the loss of what we value. Seneca's letters elaborate on this concept, encouraging a mental rehearsal of life's adversities to diminish their sting when they occur. Letters from a Stoic, letter 91. This exercise cultivates resilience and gratitude for the present moment. 3. The view from above. A mental exercise that involves visualizing our life from a cosmic perspective, diminishing the significance of our problems and highlighting our interconnectedness with the larger whole. Marcus Aurelius meditated on this perspective, noting the transitory nature of human endeavors within the infinite expanse of time and space. Meditations 748. 4. Journaling. A reflective practice aimed at self-improvement and clarity of thought. Marcus Aurelius. Meditations serve as a prime example, offering insights into his personal reflections, struggles, and growth. Through journaling, we engage in a dialogue with ourselves, examining our beliefs, actions, and their alignment with Stoic virtues. 5. Voluntary discomfort. By periodically embracing discomfort, such as cold showers or fasting, we not only appreciate the value of what we have, but also fortify our resilience against future hardships. This exercise echoes the Stoic belief in the development of self-discipline and endurance through intentional hardship. 6. Cognitive distancing. Recognizing that our judgments and reactions to external events are the sources of our disturbances. Epictetus emphasized the importance of distinguishing between the events themselves and our interpretations of them. Discourses 1.5. This practice involves stepping back from our immediate perceptions and re-evaluating them in a more objective light. 7. Amor fati, love of fate. A radical acceptance of life as it unfolds, epitomized by Nietzsche's interpretation of Stoicism. This exercise involves embracing every experience, whether perceived as good or bad, as necessary parts of the whole. Marcus Aurelius exhorted, "Accept the things to which fate binds you." Meditation 757. 8. Sympathia. The acknowledgement of our mutual interconnectedness within the cosmos, fostering a sense of compassion and understanding towards others. This Stoic principle encourages us to view others as fellow participants in the human experience, leading to a more harmonious coexistence. 9. The reserve clause. While pursuing our goals, we should mentally append the caveat, "fate permitting," to our plans. This aligns with the Stoic recognition of the unpredictable nature of external events and the importance of maintaining an adaptive mindset. 10. The practice of exemplarism. Modeling our behavior on Stoic exemplars or sages, such as Cato or Socrates, provides tangible ideals to aspire towards. Seneca's On the Shortness of Life and other writings often reference historical figures as paragons of virtue and wisdom. 11. The contemplation of nature. Engaging with the natural world to foster an appreciation for the beauty and order of the universe. Aligning with the Stoic principle of living in accordance with nature. Marcus Aurelius frequently mused on the lessons nature imparts and the peace it offers to those who observe its laws. Meditations 9-1. In weaving these exercises into the fabric of our daily lives, we embark on a journey of transformation, one that cultivates resilience, equanimity, and a profound connection with the world around us. This path does not promise the absence of adversity. Rather, it offers the tools to navigate life's challenges with grace and virtue. As we embrace these practices, we find ourselves part of a collective endeavor, a we bound by the pursuit of wisdom and the betterment of our shared human experience.